So, with your new computers, Google Drive was automatically installed to them. That is how you can save things to your Google Drive automatically and access them from your computer instead of going to a Google Chrome web browser to go to drive.google.com or Safari or Firefox, whatever you use. Um, that acts kind of like a flash drive. Google Backup and Sync um, acts more like a backup of certain folders that Google Drive app that we use does not have access to. So if you want to make sure your desktop and documents folders are backed up, which don't automatically back up to that other Google Drive app, this is what you're going to want to use. So once you go to the link and look for this, this is the product you're going to look for. It says for individuals, backup and sync. Click on download. Go through all the steps to download it. Open it from your downloads folder. Give it permissions that it needs. And then what you will see is this once it's open. So you're going to click on Get Started and then sign into your Google account. Step 2 is to select the folders you would like it to back up. So you'll notice I have desktop and documents backed up. That way anything that's saved to my desktop that I see sitting on my desktop background will automatically stay in sync with a folder in Google Drive. There's going to be a folder that lives in your Google Drive that contains all of this, and it's going to be looking for that automatically. I did not select pictures. The reason why is I use a personal Google account for my photos in conjunction with iCloud, but I want to make sure that I use a personal account just in case, for whatever reason, I would leave the district, or this could be if you're getting ready to retire. That way I can also share it with family without sharing from my school account. A lot of different reasons you wouldn't want to use the school account. You sure can if you want to. It just causes you some problems down the road for whatever reason that you would need to transfer those to a personal account. So you can check that if you would like, but I do recommend using a personal Google account, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. So select desktop and documents, and then select high quality. Original quality is for super high quality cameras like a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. Probably most of us aren't going to use that. You'll run out of space in your personal account pretty quickly if that's what you're using, and Google has started charging for even high quality photos added after June. So just make sure you use the quality you need. If you need original quality, you'll want to set up an account with Google for that. We will have enough space in our Google accounts to use original quality if you'd like, but you'll run out of space very quickly with a personal account. And then checkbox upload photos and videos to Google Photos if you choose to on this school district account. Okay, the last step, it asks if you want to sync your drive to this computer. Do not do that. You will run out of space very quickly on your MacBook if you sync your entire Google Drive to this computer. Using the other Google Drive app, Drive File Stream, you can select certain files that you want to make available offline if you're worried about that. Okay, do not sync that Google Drive to this computer. And then you're just going to click Start, and in the menu bar, you'll notice there's a cloud icon that indicates, the up arrow says that everything has been uploaded. If there's a circle going around in a circle, that means it's in the process of uploading. Okay, that's also where you're going to click in your menu bar to add a personal Google account. So all you would need to do there is click on Add New Account. Then it'll open up a new window. You'll sign in with your personal Google account to select only photos once you get to step number 2 instead of desktop and documents. Okay, so any questions about that, you can sure let me know. Hope you're working with your new laptops and getting used to them. I'm sure enjoying mine.